Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a part that gives you cash in Leaderstats or any other value you want. And this is a very useful thing for rewarding players when they touch a specific object in your Roblox game. Now, the first step is to add a script inside server script service and name it Leaderstats. And as you might guess from the name, this script will be used to create the Leaderstats system, where we will store the cash value that players will receive when they touch the part. Now that the script is ready, we can close the script editor and move on to the next step. Next, we need to add a part to the game, which you can customize however you like. After adding the part, we now need to attach a script to it. This script will contain the logic for detecting when a player touches the part and rewarding them with 25 cash in Leaderstats. Now that we finished the script, we can close everything and we are ready to test the game. As we can see, we start with 0 cash in Leaderstats. When we touch the part, we receive 25 cash added to our Leaderstats. And if we wait for 2 seconds and touch the part again, we will receive another 25 cash. And that means everything works perfectly. Thank you to everyone who stayed until the end. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you in a few days with a new tutorial.